Hello everyone, we're back with another video from Lexical Pidgin, and today we're going to be looking at the verb to be and how to address to be in terms of state. We remember, right? Last week we talked about how to say the verb to be when you are addressing something that has to do with identity. And also we talked about pronouns. So we had I be, she be, and all of that. You remember how to say he is a doctor. It would be he be doctor. I'm going to give us a quick hack, which is everywhere you can use he be, you can also use na. So instead of saying he be doctor, you can also say na doctor. It is a cat, na cat. She's a girl, na girl. Easy peasy. Over to the topic of today, which is state. How do you address state in Pidgin? That would be via the word they. So in our chat, this will be I they, he they, you they, she they, we they, them they. In terms of state, a few examples of things that you can identify with state are feelings, location, and activity. In English, you can say I am happy, that's a feeling. You can say I am at school, that's a location, or I am at home, or they are at the party. And for activity, you can say I am sleeping, and it's an activity, or I am drawing, but you will use I am for all of these things. In Pidgin, all of these things will go under states because they can change, and you would use they. Let's take a few exercises. How do you say I am in school? Remember, this is how we do it, and remember that we usually ditch articles, and here we'll ditch the preposition. So I am in school would be I dey school, easy peasy. He is happy would be, take a look at this, and he's happy would be he dey happy. How do you say we are crazy? How do you say we are crazy? We dey craze. In English, you don't say, in Pidgin, you don't say crazy, you say craze. So we are crazy would be we dey craze. Now activity, how do you say they are sleeping? Easy peasy, them they sleep. In the last video, I remember asking us how you say they are happy, and I'm sure you already know how to say that by now, so I don't need to tell you. What I will be asking you in this video is how you say they are at school and they are happy. How do you say that? I'm sure you can figure it out from the video. Let me know. Thank you very much. For now, it's bye from Lexical Pidgin.